Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the Spotlight camera and launching the Ring app. This initiates device discovery. Once done, sign in, select Add Device, and choose Spotlight Cam. Make sure your phone is on the same network band you plan to use. If the camera is battery-powered, charge or insert batteries now so the update won't interrupt. Keep the new Wi-Fi SSID and password visible. This first stage gets the camera into setup mode and prepares the app to transfer network credentials. You now move through the app prompts to link your camera, scan the QR code, or enter the setup code when requested. Once the app detects the device, allow Bluetooth and location permissions so the phone can communicate directly. Next, choose the new Wi-Fi SSID from the list and enter the password carefully. Mistyped characters are the most common error. If prompted, pick the 2.4 GHz network for range reasons. Stay near the camera until the app confirms a stable connection. You finish by allowing any firmware updates to complete and verifying the camera shows online in the app. Once done, test live view, motion alerts, and the spotlight to confirm proper operation. If the camera fails to connect, try rebooting your router, move the camera closer during setup, or perform a camera reset and repeat the process. This clears stale configs. Make sure no MAC filtering or captive portals block access. With these steps, your Ring Spotlight camera should operate on the new Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.